OTC or normal market? Which is better? Let's find out together. Now, before I do that, do you know I trade live every single day? And you will now see some of the results I have done in my career over the last 2 years because I've been trading live every single day. I trade live on this broker, and let me show you here now. Let's go in on the pocket option. I trade live here also. Let's so you can see here also on this broker also, as you see. I take my time every single day trading on these two brokers live for people. I started here with $100, here with $100. So if you want to join me, trade together with me, use the links that you find below the video and you can join me today. But this video is not about that. Of course, when you see the profit that I have made through the time, you probably want to join me. By the way, if you want to join me on Pocket Option, I do have a deal there now. If you deposit more than $50, I give you personally $25 back. Just contact me on one of the forums I have. Okay, that can be Discord, can be Telegram, can be Reddit, wherever you choose to contact me, Facebook. Just make sure, send me a message, tell, hey, I did deposit now, just now made a new account with Pocket Option. I deposit like 50 and I give you $25 back. If you deposit more than $100 on Pocket Option, not only do you get $25 back from me, but you also get 50% extra. So it's a good deal. But this video is not about that either. Sorry that I need to tell, because I know after you see the numbers you'll see now, you want to join me. Okay, let's take a look. Let's close this. By the way, hey, this is the trades I did today. By the way, I did have just a live session. So you can see we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trades. And you want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out of trades, 6 out of trades, 6 out of 8 trades. That is a good win rate, right? But this video is not about that either. No, which is better, OTC or the normal market? I have so much data on this, so what I'm showing you is pretty darn amazing. So let's take a look. Now we have OTC for normal pair and we have OTC. So let's take a look. Normal pair, you see I have 66% win rate, and you see I've made almost $1,100 on that trade. Now let's check OTC. Here you can see we have a 63%. Don't show the profit, but it's a 63%, and this one is 66. As we can see that you get much more with OTC. We probably did make more money with OTC, right? So here I'll say OTC wins only because it's a higher percent. So let's take this pair here, Australian dollar. I done bad on this one, 53%. Probably I have lost money on this pair here. Let's check OTC, but OTC 58%, only because they are paying 98%. I made almost $18,000 on this pair. OTC. Once again, OTC is the winner. Let's take a look at Australian dollar against Japanese yen. Here you see 57%, but we made almost $1,000. Very freaking nice. Let's check OTC. OTC, the win rate is basically the same. So you see, did not matter, but we see we made much more money. OTC winner again. So lately in my live sessions, I think for the last 1 year or so, I only trade normal pairs. But I did trade a lot OTC in the past, and now I start to think like, maybe we should go back to OTC again. Maybe should. Now let's check Australian dollar. Here we have a win rate 67% with a normal pair. How did we do with OTC? Let's take a look. See, 67, and in OTC we have 68. So you see, once again OTC wins. So put in the comment when you're trading, how is your win rate, by the way, when they come to OTC and normal pairs? And let's just take a couple more. Australian dollar against American. Here don't show the profit, but probably we lost money on it. 55%. 55 is not bad, but I think we lose money on that. Australian dollar against here you see 67%. So OTC once again was better. If you want me to take through more pairs, I can do that. I just did take from the top now. You can also take a cryptocurrency. Just I know I have not traded Bitcoin so much, but you can check. Here we have 53%. I did good on this one, by the way, today. So here we probably have lost all over on with Bitcoin. Let's check OTC. I knew 46. Here we have done terrible. Dodge, I know I done terrible. 50 and 55. Ethereum Classic, I know we have done good. Let's check. 42 and 60. So here we see we did good. And Matic, I know Ethereum I have not traded much. Let's check Matic. 57 on the normal and 58. So you see OTC again a little better. XRP I know I traded much. Wow. Here we have traded very good on XRP. 75% on normal. Let's check OTC. 50. So here we did win. So you see cryptocurrencies have not been good for us. There were some other peers here in the past. Binance Coin, I know we did print money on Binance Coin. Sadly they did remove it. Gold, I know I've done good. Let's check. Gold, 54% only. And OTC did not even trade it. So all over, at least for the forex pairs currencies, we have done amazingly with OTC. So I think as long as you stay away from cryptocurrencies, we will do very good. So here's the thing. Leave in the comments below. Do you want me to start trade in live at this for this broker and for pocket option Saturday and Sundays? If you want that, if I see, you know I have the deal here now for pocket option. If I see 3 people make a deposit, 3 people that is, now between now until let's say Saturday night, I will trade live in Sunday. Okay, I'll trade live OTC pocket option Sunday, and you know I will trade Monday also. Okay, so let's have a deal about that. But now you can see OTC work the same good as normal pairs, actually a little better because they pay more. So there you have it, my numbers trading live for a very long time. I'm the only YouTuber that you can see trade live every single day. You'll not find anyone else there to try this. They are too scared to show because most people are fake traders and they can't do what I'm doing. So make sure you join me, try to get with me, because hey, we are making money. So that, have an amazing day, and I hope I see you in my next live session.